My ancestors told me to play this song because I just seen a video which I reposted it about the ancestors' message. A lot of y'all don't understand nor how to connect with your ancestors properly. Y'all listening to people on TikTok that is about to fail y'all in a lot of spiritual ways. Get y'all one of these silver candles. Get y'all one of these white candles. You see how that flame going? Now put your silver candle inside of a jar. Now I painted and redid this jar and put some stones and some other stuff on it just to enlighten the energy because spirits like sparkle. Now, if you go by a lot of people on this app, they tell you that your ancestors are ones that can't help you. They tell you that your ancestors need you more than you need them. They tell you that your ancestors are lower level demons and energies. But did anybody tell you that there are certain ancestors that you are not ever supposed to call upon unless you have them elevated? A lot of y'all don't even know that y'all supposed to have spiritual pots for real, right? Y'all just around here with altars with no pots, no vessels, have not been consecrated, have not had energy put onto it, nothing. But then expect for your lower level uncle that's been sitting at your altar for like years, that's requesting beer, wine, cigarettes, and so much more. The main reason why a lot of people say that they're working with these ancestors and they getting the demon ancestors because a lot of them have not prayed for the ancestors that are supposed to be the spiritual guides. They weren't taught properly how to work with the ones that literally are the vessel of the family. They weren't taught how to call upon their ancestors. Do y'all even have a bell on y'all altar? Did y'all even put Efun on your altar to consecrate both realms and dimensions from each other so it can be balanced? Do y'all even have the waters, not one glass of water, but multiple glasses on your table to charge the energy? Do y'all have the feeding bowl on your altars? See, this is what I'm talking about. But then y'all talking about y'all want to be on your spiritual path. Then y'all come to me or Baba Teju, Baba Fashina, Connections, and other these apostle, other people that are of statue. What's her name? Other ones. I can't think of her name. Oh, I don't want to mess her name up. Tanika or whatever, Moon and Madam and all this stuff like that. Y'all come to us for information. But then you're not doing the proper things. Then y'all get with these so-called Babalawos that are in other countries or even ones that are here. Your ancestors guide you to the proper ones for a reason. Now, I've had people come to me and ask me, can they work with me? Can they heal? Can I be their mentor? Baby, it takes a lot of dedication to deal with me. It takes a lot of structure to deal with me because I'm not one of those that pretend. So when you're dealing with your ancestors, this is a powerful connection. This is a lineage, a legacy, a group of spirits that are very powerful that can help protect you in a lot of ways. But y'all keep fucking up. When you go to the grocery store and you decide you want shrimp and grits for dinner, but then all of a sudden you hear some pork chops, some collard greens, and some macaroni and cheese. And you be like, you know what? That does sound kind of good. You go home and you cook it and you eat it. You weren't supposed to eat that. That wasn't for you. The main reason why the idea switched is because they wanted it. A lot of y'all don't even put roses on your ancestor table. Do y'all know that y'all not even supposed to be calling out the ancestors that died early? The ones that been shot, drug abuse, grandma been molested, uncle been molested, uncle been in jail multiple times, grandfather was a hoe in these streets, and so on and so on. Y'all are calling on negative entities and getting negative results and then not understanding why you're going through what you're going through at that time. Y'all gonna keep fucking around where y'all gonna keep following people that can really mess y'all up instead of helping y'all to benefit and elevate your life. Your ancestors be giving you messages through songs. You could be in the car jamming into Keith Sweat, but then all of a sudden you are being told, hey, I want to hear My Girl, The Temptations. You cut it on. That wasn't for you. That was for them. Do you know you're supposed to keep a Bible at the altar? Because sometimes your ancestors want them Bible verses for certain curses to be removed out of your way. Oh, but the Christians ain't hear that because, see, hell, they should already know this whole book is a book of spells, but none of them pay attention to the spells that's in the fucking book. I didn't see videos about people saying, oh, they had the spirit come visit them and these demons and this, that, and the other. Do you not understand? A lot of y'all be going to the grocery store and not even covering your head for real, covering your body for real, not taking the proper spiritual cleanses, not moving forward in your life, but not understanding that you're picking up the demons. Only elevated people are understanding that the grocery store is uncomfortable. I got to the point I don't even like going to the grocery store. I get my shit delivered. I don't like the energy of going out a lot of places. Okay? If it's not me tapping into nature, we not kicking the boat. If it's not me connecting to certain things, we're not kicking the bobo. A lot of y'all drinking this Hennessy, this Crown Royal, all this stuff, right? But don't understand where it's been buried, where it's been made at. If the store has been made at an Indian reservation ground, have slaves been around that area and was hung or anything of that nature? It gets so deep to where even the trees know the energy. And if you are connected with nature, trees will communicate with you because they remove the negative energy off you, which are other ancestors that are there. So y'all be going around and then the tree talking to you. You might get a thought in your head, you need to move from over here. And that's the tree telling you that they don't like the fact that you took the space and moved into this house. And they didn't ask you to move into this house because it killed off another tree that was there or another plant that was there that was in unison with earth. Y'all just be moving into places, don't get readings. Your ancestors be telling you, no, don't move into this spot because of the simple fact that it is easily going to cause financial loss, financial burdens, financial neglect. But y'all don't listen. Your place can even block your blessings with finding healthy relationships. Your place can even stop your car from running. But these are things that people, y'all keep listening to these folks on TikTok that are not balanced. A lot of them ain't even on their spiritual path for real. A lot of them are mentally off. Not ever had a spiritual cleanse. Not ever got any work to help themselves. And not trying to do anything beneficial. Now y'all not understanding why y'all going through what y'all going through. But then want to make stuff complicated for your life even worse. Holding on to them family members that your ancestors are telling you to let go because of the simple fact. And they don't care if it's your mother, father, auntie, uncle, ex relationships. And so much more. They are protecting you from so much. If you want to learn how to work with them, I have a class. If you want to get a reading, I have that on my website. If you need work done in spiritual cleanses, I have that on my website. The link is in my bio. Get your shit done. Learn how to work with them. Learn how to become the person that you need to be so you won't be out here looking stupid just like a lot of these other folks are doing. This is ridiculous.